So this is a really important step. In the search bar, type Task Manager and then click here to open it. This will open a new window, Task Manager. Then on this window we need to click on File, select Run New Task and then click here. So you need to follow my screen. We need to open C drive, so click here and then open C drive. Now open Windows folder, then open System32 folder, scroll down and search for CMD and then click on open. Now check this box, select OK. These commands are really important. You can manually type these commands, or to avoid mistakes you can simply copy and paste these commands from the page I will show you. For that, open Google Chrome and then in the search bar type google.com and hit enter. Then in the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. Now from the search results, click on this link which is from www.hows.tech and then just scroll down and search for command number 12 and then right click here and select copy. And to paste this command on the command prompt, right click here, select edit and simply click on paste, then hit enter to execute this command. After that, copy command number 13, so right click and select copy and then simply paste this command on command prompt, then hit enter. After that, type exit to close this window. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.